Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you folks how to multiply the bases of 10, 100, 1,000, etc. So let's start over here. 13 times 12. We notice 13 is above the base of 10 by 3 because 10 plus 3 equals, of course, 13. So we're going to write plus 3 on the side. Next one, 12. 12 is above the base 2 because 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we're going to write plus 2 out here. Now the first thing we want to do is crisscross add. So 13 plus 2 equals 15. 12 plus 3 equals 15. So either way, it's 15. So you can write 15 on the left side. Next one, multiply 3 times 2, which equals 6. That's 6 on the right side. All we got to do next is plug those numbers together. The answer is 156. Just like so. 119 times 108. Since we're dealing with a base of 100, we're going to bring plus 19 across because 119 is above the base of 100 by 19. 108 is above the base of 100 by 8, so we're going to bring plus 8 across. Next step is to crisscross add. You can either add 119 plus 8 or add 108 plus 19. Either way, you'll get 127. So you're going to write 127 on the left side. Next step is to multiply these last digits. So 19 times 8 equals 152. So you got 127 here, 152 over here. Now you notice 152 is definitely above the base of 100. So what can we do next? We carry this number over and we add 127 plus 1, which equals 128. So bring 128 here, 52 here. And since 52 is below the base of 100, we don't have to carry any more. So what we got to do next, plug those numbers together. You got 12,852 as my final answer. Next one, 1,025 times 1,009. Same procedures. We're doing the base of 1,000 this time. 1,025 is above the base of 1,000 by 25, so we're going to write plus 25 here. 1,009, plus 9 right here. Next step is to crisscross add either here, this way, or that way. So 1,025 plus 9 equals 1,033. 1,009 plus 25 equals 1,033. Excuse me, I'm sorry, 1,034. Either way, it's 1,034. My apologies. So you can write 1,034 over here. Next step is to multiply 25 times 9, which equals 225. So you got 225 right here. If you're wondering what's taking me for a moment, I was mentally calculating. Yeah, so 225. Now 225 is definitely below the base of 1,000. So I don't have to worry about carrying any numbers over. So all I can do next is plug these numbers together. And I got 1,034,225. So 1,034,225. That's my final answer. All right, next one. 997 times 985. Now we notice that these numbers are below the base of 1,000. So that means we're going to have to subtract. So 997 is below the base of 1,000 by 3 because 1,000 minus 997 equals 3. So we're going to write minus 3 here. And 985 is below the base of 1,015 because 1,000 minus 985 equals 15. So we're going to write 15 right here. All right, so the next step is crisscross subtract. We can either subtract 997 minus 15 or 985 minus 3. Either way, you'll get 982. So I write 982 on the left side. On the right side, multiply negative 3 times negative 15. Negative 3 times negative 15 equals 45. And now, since we got a base of 1,000, right here, we're going to add an extra 0. Because 1,000 has 3 zeros, we'll make sure all this lines up. If it has 4 zeros, we're going to write another 0. If it's a base of 100, we're going to leave 45 as it is. But since we are dealing with a base of 1,000, we're putting an extra 0. Now, all we have to do next is plug these numbers together. So we got 982,045. Alright. Next one. 1,007 times 973. First things first, we're going to do with a base of 1,000. So we'll put plus 7 out here. And 973. 973 is below the base of 1,000 by, so I'm going to take my time for a moment, 27. So you write negative 27 right here, because 1,000 minus 973 equals equals 27. Excuse me. Next step is we have two ways we can do this. We can crisscross subtract or crisscross add. Either way, you get the answer 980. So you write 980 on your left side. Next step is multiply 7 times negative 27, which equals negative 189. Now, 189 is definitely below the base of 1,000, so that's okay. Since we're dealing with a negative, that means we're going to have to find the complement and subtract 980 by 1. So 980 minus 1 equals 979. The complement of 189 is the same thing as 1,000 minus 189, which equals, let's see, so 900. 811. So all we gotta do next is plug these numbers together, and you got 979,811 as our final answer. So for future reference, when it comes to dealing with negative numbers, you always gotta find the complement as well as subtract the left side by 1. Overall, I hope this helps. Till next time, signing off.